Paano mo pinaghahandaan ang pagiging isang daddy?
Maraming tanong sa mga may experience na, of course, 'di ba? Syempre, hindi naman to basta-basta din adventure na tatahakin with my fiancé now, si Diana. And yun, lahat ng tulong na kaya kong mahingi sa mga eksperyensadong tao na, like mga dads talaga. Nagtatanong talaga ako.
So what have you learned so far?
Marami na. It's really important na magsisimula ka na ngayon, lalong-lalo na at this generation, hindi na din talaga mura magpalaki ng anak, no? So from school, from hospital, from milk and everything,
Gastos,
it's going to be very expensive. So now pa lang, magsubi ka na, make sure you plan ahead before it's even there. Kasi by the time it's there, hindi mo na alam yan na tuloy-tuloy na lang. Ikaw parang autopilot ka na lang na nangyayari na lang yan.
So
But you sound like a dad na matagal ng dad.
Practicing. Sana practicing naman.
And it's important to have an insurance.
Yes, that's really important. And, you know, with Coco Life, ngayon, ang laking bagay talaga. Especially, like, for example, meron din na yung isang plan doon, yung Coco Life Life Vest, na may perfect balance with investment and, of course, life insurance. So, that's one thing that I really look into now na papunta ako doon sa bagong chapter ng buhay ko.
Bagong produkto ba ito ng Coco Life? Yung
yes,
Life
it's
Vest?
there, Life Vest, Coco Life Life Vest. So if you want more information about it, just look it up. And talagang kayo din, eyes open din kayo na pwede palang ganito. May ganito palang produkto ang Coco Life.